Suppose if you are using a Windows 11 and if you want to open the quick settings in this Windows 11 running computers, then okay, for doing this you can have a shortcut. So this is the Windows key and this is the A key. That is, this is the Windows logo key in your keyboard, and this is the alphabet A. And so if you press these two keys at the same time, that is one finger in this Windows key, I press the Windows key, and at the same time I press this A key also. So if I press these two keys at the same time, then you can see on the side here the quick settings have been added. That is, you can turn on or off the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or even change to airplane mode, adjust brightness, volume, etc. Or even you can take accessibility, focus assistant, etc. So for taking this quick setting page, the shortcut in Windows 11 is you must press this Windows key and A key. These two keys you must press these two keys, that is Windows key and A key. You press these two keys at the same time, and you can see that the settings, that is the quick settings page, have been added of this video. See for more videos, subscribe Engineers Online. Thank